A very warm welcome to one and all. Good morning, sir. Hi, friends. Today I want to give my presentation on conditions of farmer in India. Who is a farmer? The man in the field, the man who works for the country and gives food for all the people. Now I want to show some of the farmers in all countries. Now here is a European farmer, American farmer and Chinese farmer, and now our Indian farmer. He is in a condition. See how he is in a developing manner. How India will be developed. If he improved, India will be developed, not a developing country. From thousands of years, India is an agro-based economy. You know, India itself is a continent. India has diverse cultures and different type of agriculture. Here in Kashmir, apples are more famous. In Punjab and Haryana, wheat and rice is more prominent. Whereas in Rajasthan, wheat is more prominent. As you know, diesels are more in Rajasthan. Agriculture is different from all other countries. East Godavari, east of India is rice, and whereas in South India, agriculture is either rice, wheat or coconut or tea coffee beans. India's population is more over 100 crores, means 100 crore people need food. How a farmer is working in the land and he is giving every food to each and every person. So how is the Indian farmer and what is his condition? Except few rich farmers, all our others are very poor. See how are they working in the lands. Some of the farmers are becoming as Naxalites. They are very poor, so they are not able to put on their efforts. See, you know, farmers are committing suicides. Not even male farmers. Even female farmers are being committing suicides. Due to the reasons like unavailable monsoon, means full of floods or droughts. Floods, we can take an example of Hudud. As we are experiencing Hudud, farmers have lost everything, their food, shelter and everything. There is nothing being there with them. Exploitation by Jamindars, lack of technology, there is an unorganization, irregular supply of electricity, lack of education. Will it improve, friends? When will it improve? Yes, with time it will improve. Farmers are getting educated, latest technologies are being used by the farmers, better financial support is given by the government. So please friends, I ask you to help farmers. As a student, we can't help farmers by economically. We can motivate them. We can help them by giving the surroundings what is going on. So please help them and make the technology used by the farmers. Today we are eating thanks to farmer. So farmers are real heroes of our country. Thank you very much. Any questions?